Hello and welcome friends. Let's see a match today that I have played with black. So taking modern defense on d4. So the game started with d4, then g6, bishop to f5, bishop to g7, then e3. So e3, the idea is to defend this pawn and to restrict the bishop movement on this diagonal. And bishop here is having an attack on this pawn. So later on the knight can come and it becomes dangerous sometimes. So bishop is having a very good square here for white. So this pawn was moved ahead to make the movement of queen, and now nf3. So again defending the pawn, and it can be again pushed here or here, so creating more attack on black. Now queen to b6, then this pawn was defended by moving it ahead. Now d6, so this restricts the knight or bishop movement to the center square, so it is having an attack on this square, so knight or bishop cannot come here for exchange also. This pawn was pushed ahead, so my opponent is planning to have the queen restricted movement on from the right, so the black squares are and the white squares are also blocked from the right side. So nf6, so idea is to have the development and castle. Now nd2, so again knight supporting knight, so development is going on. nd7, then h3, so the knight cannot sit here, for that it was moved. So queen to a5, so this is a clear attack on this pawn because this is not defended. So queen now can save this pawn, so black castles. So bishop to e2 and a6, now white castle. Now pawn moved ahead to not to have the bishop to take this square, so it was moved. Black should have taken that, but I let it go and I moved the bishop. So pawn takes, now I have to save the queen, it is a direct attack on the queen. So queen back, now second pawn, so queen up. So this diagonal, if you will see, if this knight moves, it is a checkmate threat, so that is a very good position for queen and bishop to have. Now bishop here, it may want to come here to take the bishop. I moved the king, now pawn was advanced. Rook to e8, now pawn attacking the queen. So the idea is to block this diagonal that is having the threat on the g2 pawn. Queen to c7, then a rook to b1, basically to save the rook from here and to protect the pawn also. So rook to c8, rook to e1, now knight takes the pawn. Now if he takes, then I will take, he will take, and I will take the bishop. So that was the idea. So bishop to e4 to b4, so queen is threatened and he cannot take this now because he have to save the queen. queen went to d1, took the bishop, knight is here. So see, the position of these two knights are very ahead in the game, and it can come forward for more attacks. So it should not come on this square, so it was restricted by h6 pawn. Now rook, now pawn to f5. So this knight can come to this square or this square. If it comes here, then the knight or bishop will go by this pawn advancement. So that was the idea, and my opponent moved the pawn to d2. So after this, knight is here, and it gave a clear fork to the rook, and white resigned here. Please subscribe. Thank you.